Here's how to watch local channels on your Samsung Smart TV. Easy and only takes a few minutes. Start by connecting your antenna to the ANT-in port on the back of your TV. Then, grab your remote and press the source button. Select TV to switch your input to antenna. Next, go to Settings, scroll to Broadcasting, choose Auto Program, and this will scan for all available local channels. If you're using an antenna, select Air, then hit Start. The TV will begin scanning. Once it's done, you'll see a list of local channels ready to watch, free and in HD. If you want even more content, press the Home button and check out Samsung TV Plus. It offers tons of free streaming channels with no subscription needed. That's it. Enjoy your favorite local shows right on your Samsung Smart TV. Subscribe and like if this video helped you. Thank you for watching.